Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll try to fix if Chrome is taking too much of memory on your laptop. See here, uh, here on the menu bar, I just right click on this. I'll be clicking on the task manager to show you the task manager. See here, first of all, this laptop is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop, and this is a 16 GB RAM. See, I'll just show you this PC, and when I check the properties here, this is a 16 GB RAM. See here, installed RAM is 16 GB, but still most of the percentage of RAM is being filled up. See, and that too, the major part is taken up by Chrome. Leave about this image editing software and this video editing software. Obviously, they'll take much of the RAM, but see here, Chrome, it is saying like 28 active tabs. But if I check like the Chrome, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 tabs. For these 11 tabs, it is taking too much of memory. See here, 1579.6 MB, which is making a major percentage of the RAM here. So how you can clear this? The first thing is you can just clear the tabs which are taking much memory. How you can know that? Just enter shift plus escape. Just press the keys with shift and escape. Shift plus escape. When you press the shift plus escape, and here you will see which tab is taking lot of memory. See here, WhatsApp. See here, WhatsApp is taking lot of memory here. Next, Gmail. So if you don't want these tabs, you can just close them and open whenever you want. Say for example, I'm just closing the mail and also the WhatsApp. Now what I'll do is I'll open the task manager. Okay. And if you can see, yeah, if you can see, there is 200 MB decrease in the consumption. Likewise, you can just delete the unwanted tabs. And the next thing is, here the extensions in the Chrome also will run parallelly, even though if you use those extensions or if you don't use the extensions, these extensions will work in the background. What you can do is you can click on the three dots on the Chrome and then click on extension, then click on manage extension, and just remove all the unwanted extensions. Okay, so believe me, this will really save a lot of memory on your computer. Not only disabling, but just try to remove it. Okay, just try to remove it. So I'll be just clearing all the extensions, means if you don't want that. Okay, and now just try to restart your computer once, or at least try to restart the Chrome once, then automatically this consumption will be freed up. So what I'll do is I'll just close this Chrome once and I'll be opening it again. Okay, I'll be just closing this once and then I'll be opening it again. Sorry, manager. And see here, 500 MB has saved. So if you decrease this this Chrome tab, automatically just use the tabs which are useful for you. Rest all tabs you can close so that you can save lot of memory here. So yeah, you can clear the extensions. You can just check the tabs, whichever is taking most of the memory. You can take a decision on that. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.